Everybody ready? Okay. So today we are going to do picture composition in English language. Picture composition means in exam you will get one picture, any picture, random picture of a village scene, mountain, rivers, picnic spot, market scene, any picture you will get. Then what you have to do is you have to look at the picture, observe the picture carefully. Picture composition means you have to write, describe the picture and write points which the picture is depicting or which the picture is trying to tell. Every picture tries to tell about it something. Yes. Now if you see a picnic scene, many children are playing, then women are making food, they are enjoying, and few girls are swinging, boys are playing cricket. So if any scene is there, so what it is telling us, it is telling us that the scene is of picnic spot, then it is a bright sunny day, then what children are doing, what women are doing in the picture. So picture composition means you have to describe the picture in your own words in 10 sentences. You will be writing 10 sentences describing the picture what is given to you. Now if I show you like this, look here, can you see this image, all of you? Yes. Now, yes, now this is an example of picture composition. You will be getting a picture like this and you have to describe. So what can you see in the picture? First of all, we can see it is a bright sunny day. Then we can see it is a village scene. Okay. Then what else we can see? We can see there is a hut with a sloping roof. A river is flowing nearby the hut. We can see at the back of the hut there is a big old banyan tree whose roots are hanging down. The birds are chirping on the tree. The grasses are grown all around the place, which are enhancing the beauty of the picture. The pebbles are lying near the hut. All right, and it is a picture is depicting or representing a scenic beauty. What it is representing? A scenic beauty. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So this is how you have to do a picture composition. Okay. I will give you the picture and few sentences you have to write. The picture which I have shown you right now, I will tell you the sentences. But in exam, you will not get this picture. You will get some other picture. Okay. And looking at that picture, you have to write few sentences what the picture is showing. Make sure the first thing you should start with what type of a weather it is. Whether the picture is showing a bright shiny day or a windy day or a rainy day. Okay, cloudy day. So first sentence always you have to start with it is a bright sunny day or a windy day or a cloudy day, whatever the picture is. Then you have to observe carefully what are the things that are drawn on the picture. Means is it a village scene? Now the picture which I showed you right now, it is a picture of village scene. The second point says it is a village scene. Third point says we can see a hut with a sloping roof in the picture. Fourth point says at the back of the hut there is an old banyan tree whose roots are hanging down. Then we can see a big tree on a big tree there the birds are chirping. Then next sentence, there is greenery all around the picture. You remember the green grass was there? So there is greenery all around the picture. The green grass is enhancing the beauty of the picture. Okay. Then what else we saw? We saw a lake. So a river is flowing near the hut in the picture. Okay. And then at last you will say the picture is representing the scenic beauty. So the sentences which you are going to write related to picture composition should be very specific and do not repeat same sentences again. All right, and there should be variety of sentences. It's not that the hut is there, the sky is blue, the green is grass, the river is flowing, the tree is there. No, you have to write sentences of your standard, class 5 standard. Don't write sentences of class 1 standard. There is a grass, there is a river, there is a tree, there is a hut. No, not like this. You have to describe properly. There is a hut with a sloping roof. There is a banyan tree at the back whose roots are hanging down. We can see the green grass all over the place. It is a village scene. It is describing the scenic beauty. Okay, so this is how you have to write the sentences. Just now, I'm going to give you two PDFs. In one PDF, there are rules. Okay, you have to only read that PDF. In second PDF, I will give you this same picture that I showed you right now and 10 sentences which you have to write in your fair copies. Got it? Got it? There are two PDF which I am going to give you. In one PDF, you only have to read the rules, and in the second PDF which I am going to give you, that PDF you have to write in your copy. Picture? Yes, Ritisha. Right now you can draw the picture, but exam no need to draw the picture. In exam you will only write the sentences. Okay? But right now in your copies, since you don't have picture, you can draw it. All right? If you want, you can stick the picture also. But exam, but in exam, no picture drawing, no sticking picture, only write the points. See, that's why I'm saying you are not having the picture right now. If you want to draw, draw, or don't draw, just write the points. Are you getting it? The basic thing is you should know how to write the sentences looking at the picture. Got it? Again, I'm repeating, I'm going to give you two PDF. In one PDF, the rules are given. In one PDF, the rules are given. You don't have to write anything from that PDF. Another PDF where sentences are given and picture is given, that you have to write in your fair copies. All right?